Hi viewers, today I'm going to make pizza for you. Which type of pizza you mostly like? Just tell me which pizza you like a lot. I know today I'm going to make pineapple pizza specially for you, okay? Now let's start it. For that, this is the dough I'm having. Okay, now I'm just trying to manage my shelf, and now let's look. This is the weight machine. Okay, this is weight machine. I'm taking the dough 600 grams. Okay, this is my dough. How nice, good, and fluffy is that. Okay, now I'm going to take 600 grams of the dough. It's more than that. Okay, look, this is 600 grams, and just making the ball of the dough. Okay, look, there is the ball of the dough. Now I will use maize flour, okay? This is my maize flour. I am going to. Now I will use the rolling pin to straighten my dough. Let's look. Where is my rolling pin? It's my rolling pin, okay? Just trying to use this one pin. Today I will make pizza. That would be the pineapple pizza, okay? Look, my dough is quite nice, good. I will make designer pizza, okay? Using rolling pin. Now just bit, I am using the bit more. Just taking out my pizza pan. Okay. And this is my casserole. I'm just putting this one casserole on the stove to preheat the pizza, okay? Preheat my pizza pan, and now just look at. I'm just closing the lid so it would be preheated accurately, okay? Just don't worry about that. It's my stand. I'm just putting inside. Okay. Now again, I am just bit managing the dough. Look at here. After that, just I will just look at exercise. Today I'll make small pizza for you. Okay, do you understand? Now, did you ever see such a nice, classy and beautiful pizza? No. Okay. Today I'm going to make pineapple pizza for you. Taking the size of the pizza accurately. It's my designer pizza. Look how I will design my pizza in front of you guys. Look, just it's in the inner dough. Now from the rest of that I will use stars to design my pizza, okay? Look how beautiful is my stars. How I am cutting the stars. Did you ever see such a nice and beautiful star pizza? I don't think so. You have seen in your life ever before. I didn't think so. I think so. It's enough, and just putting the rest of the dough here. Now just covering it with the clean plastic wrapping so it doesn't just look. Now just it's time to put back the star on my designer pizza. Okay. Now it's time to just all the flour back. Like that. Okay, now it's here. Just putting back the rolling pin here. Just next is now, but my next turn is like what I have to do. I need oil. Okay, this is my brush. I'm just greasing the pan so pizza doesn't stick. Okay, this is my just to look in the middle. Just look how I am arranging it in the pan. The fingers. Look, I'm just using my fingers. Now I am bringing the cheese. These are my stars. After putting the cheese, I will use the stars for the designer pizza. Okay. I think you have seen before such things. Do you? Go at my channel Cooking Shooking. Look how I am trying to arrange the things on my pizza. This is the pineapple juice and pineapples. How I will do it? I am how I will do it. I am just trying to put the pizza sauce first. This is my pizza sauce. I am using pizza sauce on the top. Okay. And just look how much pizza sauce is required. You like more pizza sauce or less? Just tell me. I think so. It should be a bit more. Okay. I understand your concern about the pizza sauce. This is nice, tasty, delicious. Wow, wow. Mouth-watering. Very tasty. Today you will see how I am making the pineapple. This is pineapple pizza, okay? Look at this is my pizza sauce and now I am going to put the corns on the topping. Just look how I am going to take out the corns. Okay, look, it's a bit, I think so, it's okay, yeah. Nice and good pizza. Mhm. Look, these are the corns I put for the. Now it's turn for the cheese. I'm using the imported cheese. This is the mozzarella and cheddar cheese which I discussed before with you. Okay, this is the crust cheese. Just look at the texture of my cheese and just I'm going to put on the pizza. This is my shredded cheese. Just I will manage. Okay, look how I am trying to put the cheese on the top of the pizza. Like a pro. Oh, what a nice and cheesy is my pizza. I know you definitely like it. Must tell me in the comments that you like my pizza or not. This is the time for the just look how I'm going to arrange the stars. Look, my star designer pizza. How I am going to arrange the stars in the pizza? Just see and tell me you like or not. Okay? Just tell me. You must have to tell me about that, okay? That you like my star designer pizza or not. I am using the Vertuy cheese on the stars as well. Okay, just be pressing it with the hands or the fingers. Just showing you. Okay, now it's turn for the look at my Star Designer Pizza. Just I will use the oiling brush at the corners. Okay, and now I will just put the pineapple on that. Have you ever seen the pineapple pizza? Have you? Yes or no? Just tell me. Okay? Just have to tell me you like it or not. Yeah, this is great, gorgeous, and good. Look, and now just arranging the cheese on that. This is on the stars. So my stars would be looking full and nice. Just look how is my Star Designer pizza. Now it's done for the pineapple. Just cleaning my hand and just okay. The, look, this is the pineapple. Okay. Look how I am trying to manage the pineapple. Look, just cutting it with the knife. Bit juice to give the flavor of the pizza. Now it's ready. Look, I am going to put it in the oven. Okay, or the pan. I think so. Today I'm going to make it in the pan. I'm putting bit cheese on the this one pineapple on the top of the pineapple. Look how cheesy it would be. Nice, tasty would be. Okay, now it's done for me. Just okay. Now just I'm looking this pan. This is my casserole. I'm just it's been preheated before. Just putting in the 15 minutes. Okay, I'll see you after 15 minutes.